Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Mitsubishi Mirage door. First, try using your key fob to remotely unlock all doors with a single press. If that doesn't work, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Insert your physical key and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. Always ensure the interior door lock switch is not engaged. If your key fob isn't responding, it might have a dead battery. Most modern fobs contain a hidden physical key. Slide or pull a small tab to release it. Then, find the keyhole, usually discreetly placed on the driver's door handle. Insert the physical key and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door, bypassing the electronic system. If you are inside the vehicle and need to unlock a door, simply pull the interior door handle firmly. Most vehicles have a two-stage release, so a second pull might be necessary. Always confirm that child safety locks are not engaged on the rear doors, as these prevent opening from the inside. Also, quickly check for any objects obstructing the door's path. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, a door might remain stubbornly locked. If you encounter persistent issues, like a broken lock mechanism or a jammed door, it's often best to consult a professional locksmith. They have specialized tools and expertise to resolve complex problems safely. Remember to regularly maintain your door locks and hinges to ensure smooth operation and prevent future issues. Also, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.